UYA. My name is Jerome, UYA's first homegrown CFI. Today we have...
My name is Justin. I'm 14 years old. I go to Bayside High School, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to fly.
Alright, you ready to get started? Alright, so let go of the yoke. So I want you to get accustomed to using your feet, okay? Remember, we push left to go left, we push right to go right, okay?
So you want me to use...
Yeah, have you feel the brake? Yep. Going right this way, okay?
Go straight down?
We're going right, so let's brake a little bit. So both feet on the brakes. To the top of it. There we go, we can push it right, there we go.
Brookhaven
small
traffic,
movements,
green
okay?
Cantabria is turning left downwind, 33 Brookhaven, full stop.
Equator Quebec is 1 mile final, runway 32.
Alright, so we're gonna stop here.
Brookhaven.
Yep, so full brakes. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this plane to land. And then we're gonna go, you see him coming up? Alright, remember what the takeoff speed is?
Is it,
Alright, see 55R, that's our rotation speed, okay? You're gonna have your left hand. You're gonna have your left hand on the yoke, right hand on the throttle, okay?
so what goes up to 55?
So the airspeed, when this number shows 55, that's
Pull
what
up?
we, yeah, we're gonna pull up
Brookhaven
slowly,
traffic,
okay?
green Cantabria is turning left crosswind, 33 Brookhaven, full stop.
Any traffic on final floor 33, Brookhaven? Any traffic? Alright, I just called out to see if there's any planes. We're gonna be taking 33, okay? So I want you to turn on all the lights.
All?
On, no, lights. Taxi, strobe, there we go. Brookhaven traffic, Scott 28 Romeo, taking 33 for a southwest departure, Brookhaven.
Brookhaven traffic, Cherokee 220 Quebec, cleared runway 33. Taxiing back to taxi runway via Foxtrot.
How much
Clear runway
RPM
Lima.
do we push it to?
Full power, we're gonna go full power.
Full power?
Alright, so full left, we're gonna line up in the center of the runway. Center line markings, the big white lines. There we go, and we're gonna straighten up. And full power, ready to go? And you're gonna hold that power, okay? So full power.
Out?
Yep, all the way in, all the way in. And you're gonna hold it, okay? About 55 knots, okay? Speed is alive. Alright, 55. Oh, keep your hand on the power.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. There we go, nice. Hold it at that, not too much. We're gonna hold it right at that 10, okay? Keep the wings level. We're flying straight, okay?
Brookhaven traffic, jumpers away, jumpers are away over Brookhaven, 8,000 feet below, use caution, please don't overfly Brookhaven at this time.
Right, left turn. Brookhaven traffic, Skyhawk 28 Romeo, turning left crosswind 33 Brookhaven. Too much, yep, we're gonna keep that bank right about there, okay? Good left turn going.
Cherokee 220 Quebec, at Lima, taxi into runway 33 via Foxtrot.
Keep the turn going, yep, keep the turn, yep, keep it going, keep it going.
Brookhaven traffic, green Cantabria is 1 mile final, 33 Brookhaven, full stop.
Keep the turn going. Brookhaven traffic, Skyhawk 28 Romeo, turning left downwind 33 Brookhaven. There you go, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Good, there we go, keep that nose up, keep the nose up. Brookhaven traffic, Scott 28 Romeo, departing the traffic pattern to the southwest, Brookhaven last call.
Sky for traffic, Cherokee 054 is entering the 45.
Charlie, change to my frequency 120.05.
Same thing, see the monument to our left? This one to our left. Same thing, we're going to drop our wing to our left. Drop it, drop it. Yeah, drop the wing. There we go.
We're
gonna try to keep that. We're gonna try to keep this monument right on the tip of our wing, okay?
Let me know your request rate.
Keep the turn going, a little bit more power.
942 first.
Yep. power right there is good.
64942 is over the stack.
Try and keep that wing. You try and keep that monument right where it is, okay? See it? Oh, we look out the wing. It's almost at the tip of the wing.
4373 ident.
I'll keep it right there, okay? You're doing good.
4373 ident. 64942,
okay? Hey, keep your eyes on the monument too. So it's like you're cross-checking. You're looking at both, alright? So look at the monument, then you're looking back at inside, okay?
Traffic 12 o'clock and 8 miles east south, Skyhawk, level 5000.
So try to keep that 1000, okay?
Looking for traffic, 3003, there's no
November 942, ready to contact 11 miles north of ISO, altimeter 3003.
3003, 64942, thank you, sir. Near approach, for Gulf is 4 miles southeast of
don't drop the wing no more.
Bridge.
Oh, we can't see the top of it? You see how we can't see the top of it?
Climb maintains 4.
Not really.
Ah, there we go. Alright.
Circuits on 25 with a advisory request missed the call sign.
Hey, once we line up with the beach again, we're gonna go straight up, okay? Straight up.
25 with the request to say again, please, I missed the call sign.
There you go.
November 818 for Gulf.
And pull the power back.
5 miles southeast of the Captree Bridge. Move to the east.
You said 514, radar contact 4 miles south of East
how high is this plane right now from the ground?
10,000.
So we're 1,000 feet basically.
Okay.
Approach County 601 for
Second.
Gulf is level
2400 feet.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Heading of 110.
November 6014 Golf.
Good. Alright, so we're gonna turn left now again.
Expect visual approach
We're gonna go straight to that bridge and we're gonna climb, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna climb to 1,500 feet, okay? No high banks, alright? Remember, okay?
Please.
November 14 Golf, lighting 080. Vectors for Kupreski. Expect visual approach for 824.
That bridge over there, right in front of us.
Okay, so we're
gonna go back to the monument, okay?
I was hoping to get the ILS 24 maybe circle to land 33. Is that possible?
We're gonna climb, okay? So full power in. We're climbing to 1,500 feet, okay?
Set that base turn for me.
There we go.
On the base turn, 1 kilo.
2 Charlie Bravo, traffic to Cherokee, 12 o'clock, mile and a half ahead in the base.
Turn left.
Cherokee, 1 out of Mike, traffic's on a 4
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of planes over here. Okay, yeah, keep the climb going.
3-2, 1 on Mike.
57 Zulu, traffic in position for arrival.
Oh yeah, they got real busy.
Traffic in position, 57 Zulu.
Okay. Whoa. Reap up towers, 28 Romeo, we at Delta, Captree Bridge, full stop.
Vision 7 Foxtrot, correction, 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, where you parking?
We're going
back to 22.
Vision 7
level off, we're at
Whiskey
1500,
Foxtrot, if you
okay?
make the left turn at the
Level off, so nose down.
ground point 6 to get you a parking.
Yep, nose down.
Alright, left ground point 6, so what's Fox?
Contact information, Delta. Cherokee, 1 Mike Alpha, turn left heading 010.
Republic
Tower information, Delta time, 13520, wind
Level. We're not turning. We're just descending, okay? There we go. Try to keep this half and half as best as you can, okay? Or look at your turn coordinator, right? Keep the arrows, keep the 2 triangles touching.
K212, are you up?
The tips of it.
Yes, sir, 212 is on long Island 7, departure 330 on the heading, 1,000.
There we go, we descend all the way to 1,000 feet, okay?
K212 departure radar contact, turn right heading 360, climb maintain 5,000.
360, 5,000, K212.
November 587, Mike Alpha, near approach.
587 Mike Alpha, 6 to the west of the Northport stacks, en route to 44 November at 2,400, request flight following.
57 Mike Alpha, you're way off on the frequency, New York 120.8 for you, 20.8.
20.8.
Alright, so we're near 1,000 feet now, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to start to pull up on the nose.
Say location and request.
There we go.
We're at Calverton.
And now we're going to pull our power back. We're going to 2,200, okay?
Type aircraft?
22?
PA 24 through 40.
There we go.
Hyper Comanche.
A little bit back. There we go, right there.
November 6978 Papa Squawk 4367, ident, advised information, X-ray. 2 miles, not speaking though.
Alright, we're turning west to join right downwind for 32, 1 Mike.
Alright, starting reducing. We're going to go power 2,000.
Cherokee 72 Romeo, running 32, line up and wait, traffic's on a mile and a half final.
Line up and wait, 72.
And Cherokee 52
Zulu.
Zulu.
Drop that nose just slightly, okay?
52 Zulu,
We'll drop the nose slightly. We're going to keep our pitch right on that line, okay?
That line?
Right on that line. Don't move it from that line, okay?
is over Deer Park.
I was dipping. See how we're dipping? Yeah.
Stop
there we
with
go. Fix it.
information
There.
Delta.
Echoes 11, give me 2 right 360s. You got targets 2 south of you. let's see, a Cherokee and a Cessna. Give me 1360 when you
Power back, a little bit more. Let's go
join the
flaps
right
20.
downwind for runway 32.
11 to 20.
360 and then join the downwind for runway 32 at 11.
Cessna 942, give me one right 360 for spacing.
Right 360 for spacing, 61942.
Thank you. 24 Romeo, clear for takeoff, make left traffic, no delay on the roll.
Clear for takeoff, 724 Romeo.
Cessna 20 Zulu, clear to land.
Clear to land, Cessna 20 Zulu.
Cessna 28 Romeo, number 2, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, 28 Romeo.
Cessna 57 Zulu, traffic to Cherokee, outer shoreline, over the bridge.
A little bit more power, 2,000
Look for them as you get closer to that.
We're gonna go flaps full, so drop all the flaps now.
Full?
Yep.
Traffic in
All the way down, yep.
57 Zulu.
Alright, so we're good.
3 Sierra Papa, Roger, join the midfield right downwind.
Midfield right
We're
down.
good right here, keep it right on that line, okay?
Acres 11, you have the traffic off your left-hand side, 1,300 feet northbound.
But keep it nose down all the way to the runway, okay?
Cessna 20 Zulu, left air ground point 6.
Ground point 6, 20 Zulu.
Acres 11, just maneuver to fall behind him, please, for the right
A little
downwind.
bit of power.
Over in.
More power?
Behind
A little
him
bit,
for
just
the
a little bit.
downwind. Acres 11.
Cessna 942, join the midfield right downwind for runway 32.
Midfield right down, runway 32, 61942.
3 Sierra Papa, I have traffic now off your forward right, a mile and a half. They're inbound for the downwind assessment. Do you have them in sight?
Have them in sight for CCD Sierra Papa.
3 Sierra Papa, thank you. Maneuver to fall behind them and follow them into the field.
Following them to the field for CCD Sierra Papa.
57 traffic in sight.
57 Zulu, turn base.
Turning base, 57 Zulu.
Jet Share 420 Republic Tower, running 32 line and wait. We're ready to go. Traffic's on 8 mile final.
Live and night. We're
And
ready
power
to go.
out. All the way out.
Jet Share 420, thank you.
Big O, start to hold that nose up. Hold the nose up. There we go.
Runway 32, Jet Share 420.
Hold it up. Hold it. Hold it.
Acres 15.
Hold it.
In position per arrival.
Hold it. It's okay. It's okay. Hold it. There we go.
Traffic in position.
There we
Acres
go.
15. Republic Tower, Cherokee.
We're gonna break.
80 Quebec traffic.
Left. We're gonna turn left here. Oh, no yoke.
Cherokee just
Wrong
started
one?
descent now.
Now say no yoke. You turn with the runners.
Turn 20 degrees to the right. They're a Cherokee.
You tried to turn like this. I was saying.
I'm
Just
just
two-way
doing
runway,
both at the
ground
same
point
time.
Boeing 6-2, remember?
And Cherokee 80 Quebec traffic. So if you forward left a mile, 2,200 feet.
I went through
southbound
the
Cherokee.
wrong one for a second.
Oh, no. You did. Don't worry. Justin, how was your flight today? First flight with UYA?
My first flight here was good. There was like a little bit of turbulence, but otherwise everything was smooth and fine. And I want to thank Clyde for like bringing me out here to fly. And
We was happy to have you here.